What is going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. In this video we're gonna compare these Pancake lenses. I like Pancake lenses because, as the name is mentioned, it is very small and compact like a pancake. I'm now filming with the Nikon Z50. I'm hoping that the autofocus is working pretty well, but yeah, let's begin this little comparison. On this side we got the 60mm f2.8 Sony Pancake lens for your crop sensor camera, but I also use this on my Sony full frame sensor camera. And this is the 20mm f2.8, which is also a Pancake lens, and as you can see, both of them are quite similar in size and also in weight, but as you can see, this one is gray silver finish and this one is black, piano black, as I like to say. Alright, so in regards to the build quality, both of them are plastic and without weather sealing, and it feels really budgetly and really cheap. So not the best in the world in regards to build quality. Let's compare the image quality, the photos. And first of all, on the left side you see the 60mm and on the right side you will see the 20mm. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of photos because yeah, the whole situation in the world is crazy. So you can go outside here in the Netherlands, you can do landscape and stuff, but just to be safe, be inside as much as possible. So I just took some photos around the house, and as you can see, the image quality of the 60mm is a little bit different when you compare that to the 20mm. And I see that the autofocus of the Nikon Z50 is not working really that well actually. Well, you got 60mm, and as you see, the image quality of the 16mm is not as good as the 20mm. The 20mm looks much better, not really sharp as well, but still much better than the 16mm. Let's do a quick autofocus test. Here it is on my Sony A6000. First of all, the 16mm, as you see, it looks weird. It doesn't look very good. And now the autofocus also with the Sony A6000 with the 20mm, and as you see, the autofocus of the 60mm works much better. Just to be sure, I also checked this out on my Sony A7 III, and as you see, the 60mm is really much worse than the 20mm. So yeah, there you have it actually. Which one is better? Which one do you really want, or which one do I think is the better one of these two? To be quite honest, both of them are not that good if you compare that to the kit lens. I would say just use the kit lens because the f2.8 doesn't add really that much, and even though f2.8 might be sometimes useful in lower light conditions, then yeah, you know, just crank up the ISO and you will be just fine. But if you really want to buy one of these two, then I would suggest buy the 20mm f2.8. That one is much better in regards to image quality and also in regards to performance, autofocus, and yeah, that's about it. The price actually for both is quite decent. This one goes around $220 or so in dollars and euros, and this one goes around $270 in US dollars and euros. But so not the most expensive lenses in the world, but still also not the best lenses in the world. If you really want to have a Pancake lens, and then I really recommend the 20mm, but I also do recommend just using the kit lens, which is just fine. Alright, so that's all. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if not already, like the video, comment down below, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.